AI is taking over faster than anyone expected. And if you don't learn these skills by 2025, you could get left behind. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly what you need to stay ahead. Artificial intelligence is changing every industry, from business and finance to healthcare and entertainment. The question isn't if AI will affect your job, it's when. So what can you do? Learn the most valuable AI skills that will set you apart and future-proof your career. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the #1 AI skill that's predicted to be in the highest demand. AI prompt engineering, the new power skill. What it is. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Knowing how to write effective prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AI automation tools can make you 10 times more productive. Why it matters. Companies are hiring prompt engineers for salaries over $200,000. Those who master how to communicate with AI effectively will have an edge. Example, a company automated customer support using AI-generated responses, reducing wait times from 30 minutes to under 5 seconds. Businesses use AI-powered content generation to scale their marketing without hiring writers. Do you think AI will replace human creativity? Or is prompt engineering the future of work? AI automation and no-code tools work smarter, not harder. What it is. No-code AI tools allow anyone to automate workflows, emails, marketing, and business operations without coding. Why it matters. Instead of hiring developers, entrepreneurs, and businesses are using AI to automate time-consuming tasks, saving millions of hours every year. AI-powered chatbots now handle 70% of customer service requests, cutting costs by over 50%. Solopreneurs are running full businesses with AI doing the work of entire teams. Would you trust AI to run part of your business, or do you think it will replace too many jobs? Data literacy and AI ethics know how AI works. So what is it exactly? Well, AI learns from huge amounts of data, but not all data is fair or unbiased. Understanding how AI makes decisions is now a critical skill. Why does it matter? If AI is making hiring decisions, approving loans, or diagnosing patients, we need to make sure it's fair, accurate, and ethical. Here's an example. AI hiring tools have been caught favoring certain candidates based on race or gender, and AI-powered medical tools have misdiagnosed diseases because of biased training data. So, should AI be regulated to prevent bias, or is bias just part of the system? AI video and content creation, the next big industry. What it is. AI can now write, edit, design, and even create full-length movies. If you know how to use these tools, you'll have an unstoppable advantage in content creation. Why it matters. AI-generated content is already making millions for YouTubers, businesses, and digital marketers. AI-generated YouTube channels are making over $10,000 per month, without human creators. AI-powered music and video editing tools allow anyone to create Hollywood-quality content. Would you watch a movie 100% made by AI? Or do you think human creativity is irreplaceable? AI cybersecurity and digital privacy. Protect yourself. What it is. As AI grows, so do AI-powered cyber threats. Learning how to protect your personal data, secure online accounts, and detect AI-generated scams is more important than ever. Why it matters. Hackers are already using AI to create deepfake scams, crack passwords, and manipulate financial transactions. AI-generated deepfakes are being used for identity theft and political propaganda. AI can now hack weak passwords in seconds, putting millions at risk. Do you think AI is making the internet safer, or is it the greatest security threat of our time? Bonus skill. AI and human collaboration, the future of work. What it is. The real winners in the AI revolution won't be the ones fighting AI. It will be the ones who know how to work with it. Why it matters. Companies are already requiring AI literacy in job descriptions. If you can master how to collaborate with AI tools, you'll always be in demand. Employees using AI for data analysis are 5 times more productive than those who don't. Doctors using AI-assisted diagnostics have higher accuracy than those without AI support. Final thought. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who don't know how to use AI. Conclusion. AI is changing everything. The question is, will you adapt or get left behind? Question for you. Which AI skill do you think is the most important? Or is AI just hype? Let's debate in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and future tech videos.